Welcome to Jimmy's Economics. Here's part 2 of everything you need to know about 1.2.5 Elasticity of supply. There are many factors that influence pays. For an explanation of PES, check out part 1 of 1.2.5 Elasticity of supply. To remember these factors, think PSSST, like the whispering sound. PSSST. Production lag, substitutability of factors of production, stockpiles, spare capacity and time. A production lag is the time it takes to produce something. The longer a production lag is, the more pays inelastic supply will be. This is because it's harder for producers to react to changes in prices, as the time it takes to produce something is so long, such as farming. So, a rise in price would result in a less proportionate rise in supply, and vice versa. The more substitutable the factors of production are, the more pays elastic supply will be. This is because it will be easy for producers to react to a price change because they may have the factors of production needed to increase supply. For example, if a factory produced cars and vans and car demand rose, the factory's factors of production for making vans will be similar to those needed for the car, so the producer will be able to easily increase production for cars. So, a rise in price would result in a more proportionate rise in supply, and vice versa. The more stockpiles a firm has, the more pays elastic supply will be. This is because if prices were to rise, they could just sell off their stockpiles, resulting in a more proportionate rise in supply, and vice versa. The more spare capacity a firm has, the more pays elastic supply will be. If a firm has spare capacity, it's not maximizing its productive potential and thus will have unemployed factors of production, such as an empty factory. So, if prices rise, they can easily increase supply as they have unemployed factors of production ready to be put to work. Therefore, a price rise would result in a more proportionate rise in supply, and vice versa. Time also affects pays. In the short run, supply is more likely to be pays inelastic because firms are restricted by fixed factors of production, for example, contracts. Therefore, a price rise will cause a less proportionate rise in supply, and vice versa. In the long run, supply is likely to be more pays elastic as factors of production are variable. Firms are not restricted by them. Therefore, a price rise will cause a more proportionate rise in supply, and vice versa. Hope that helps. Follow for more.